In our business, great feedback is the best reward. When customers share the love, we just can't help ourselves from sharing it with everyone else. We work hard to please our customers, and we're proud of the job we do. It's always great to be recognized, especially when customers take the time to send a review online, like this one. Reviews like this are important to us because they tell us we're doing a great job for these satisfied customers and will continue to do so in the future. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to our customers, and in return, we have incredibly loyal customers. See, and you'll be amazed. Thank you for dropping in today. We're looking forward to doing business with you. We are only one call away from serving you.